Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back for another lesson. It has truly been a long time, inshallah. We're in Surat al-Baqarah and we have reached ayah. Actually, this is the longest ayah of the Quran, ayah 282 of Surat al-Baqarah. And in this lesson, inshallah, this is going to be a little bit longer lesson. Hope you can bear with me as we, inshallah, hope to get through this beautiful ayah, long ayah, but inshallah, let's see what happens. So let's get started right here. If the reading is too fast for you, please refer to our earlier lessons, lesson 1, 2, 3, etc., from Quran for Beginners. Also, as a disclaimer, this is just to help beginners learn to recognize and read the letters for a fluent, perfect reading of the Quran. Inshallah, we recommend that you find an actual teacher to hear your Quranic recitation and correct it. Okay, without further ado, we are here. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Now, this statement here, this is something you should be very familiar with now. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu. O you who believe. This appears a lot. يا أيها الذين آمنوا إذا تداينتم. Noon has a sukoon you cannot see here, followed by a ta. This is ikhfa. تداينتم. Now this meme sakina followed by ba also has a bit of holding on it. تداينتم بدين إلى أجل. This lin assimilates with the meme here, so becomes idgham, assimilation. Ajalim, so instead of lin ajalin becomes ajalim musamman. Okay, musamman faktubu. Okay, musamman faktubuh. This Hamzat al-Wasl drops, goes straight to the kaf here that has a sukoon. Faktubuh. This jim is a good place to pause. So you can say faktubuh and pause there. If you were to continue, faktubuhu, and then can you carry on? So wal, this waw here, this has a lam with a sukoon, so wal yaktub. Wal yaktub. Now we have a ba with a sukoon followed by another ba. This becomes like a shadda. فَلْيَكْتُبْ بَيْنَكُمْ كَاتِبٌ بِالْعَدْلِ. Now, because it's katibun, technically, bun, katibun, all tanween has a un sound, katibun. But because, whenever you have tanween followed by a ba, this has a specific ruling, okay, which we're not going to get into, but the only thing you need to know is that the un turns into a And that's why if you look very carefully, there's a small meme right there. Katibun bil adl. So katibun, bun becomes bum. Small little meme there. Katibun bil adl. Okay, and we're going to continue. This is a pause here. You can pause here if you like. Wala ya'ba. Wala ya'ba. This hamza has a sukoon, so ya'ba. Katibun. Notice here it's katibun, not boom, because of the ba. This is not a ba, this is a hamza. So it just becomes normal, katibun. And now we're coming here, katibun. So what happens when you have a noon with a sukoon followed by ya? Let's see if you remember. What would be the ruling there? Would you say an yaktub or ay yaktub, right? So this kind of drops and you go straight into the ya, ay yaktuba, أن يكتب. Okay, so this is an idgham in a simulation. أن يكتب كما علمه. عل, this lam has a shadda, so it's doubled. علمه. A lot of common mistakes occur when people are not paying attention to the shadda. This is a doubled lam. علمه الله. Again, Jim, good place to pause. But the only thing about pausing is you need to know how to pause correctly. So here, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, علمه الله. This is a ha that ends. So you have to say, علمه الله. Hopefully you can hear that. Continuing on, فليكتب. فليكتب. Okay, so continuing on, فليكتب. Slight ba is qalqala, but we're going to continue on. فليكتب. Wal, why wal? Because that's a lam with a sukoon. Wal yumli. Wal yum. This is a ya dhamma, mim sukoon. So yum li lilladhi. Li lilladhi. Alayhi. Alayhi. And then our favorite that we've read so many times, the alif drops here, to go straight to the lam. Alayhi al-haqqu. Okay, so that becomes a il sound here from here. Alayhi al-haqqu. So alayhi al-haqqu. Wal again, because lam has a sukoon. Waw fatha. Wal yattaqi. Wal yat. So the ta has a shadda. Yattaqi. Then the name of Allah. Wal yattaqillaha. Qillaha. If you notice, whenever you have a qaf by a kasra, the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is read with what is called a small mouth. Wal yattaqillaha. Instead of yattaqillaha, which is wrong. Yattaqillaha. So qillaha. Rabbahu. This extends the ha just slightly. Rabbahu. Rabbahu. Wala yabkhas. Yabkhas. Why is it yabkhas? Because the ba is qalqala. Yabkhas minhu shay'a. Another tricky one, if you're stopping here, shay'an becomes shay'a. Okay, these type of meds, you basically, the ruling is, memorize it like this. Instead of shay'an, imagine if you were to write in English an, for an, just change it to a. Shay'a, right? So just like that. Minhu shay'a, because we're pausing. You don't say shay'an and then pause. That's incorrect. Minhu shay'a, like that. And so that's why when you pause, at least you should know where and how you're pausing. So continuing on from here, فَإِن كَانَ, noon sakina followed by kaf, it's ikhfa. فَإِن كَانَ الَّذِي. Here, كَانَ الَّذِي. This appears so many times. This alif drops, goes to the lam, الَّذِي. So from here we said فَإِن كَانَ الَّذِي عَلَيْهِ. So الَّذِي عَلَيْهِ الْحَقُّ سَفِيهًا. سَفِيهًا. Okay. سفيها أو ضعيفا. ضعيفا أو لا يستطيع. يستطيع أن. It's an, but you got a ya. So again, idgham. So أن يمل. أن يمل. And then huwa here. هو فل يملل. Okay, yumlil, this word appeared earlier. فَلْيُمْلِلْ وَلِيُّهُ. وَلِيُّ, this ya has a shadda with the dhamma. وَلِيُّهُ, again, بِالْعَدْلِ, and then another jim. Okay, بِالْعَدْلِ. So now we continue. Okay, we'll continue. Why? Because this drops here. وَاسْتَشْهِدُوا. وَاسْتَشْهِدُوا. All right, so وَاسْتَشْهِدُوا شَهِيدَيْنِ. This is a ha. This is a ha. Okay, that is a ha. And that is a ha. Different ways. In the beginning, like this, ha. In the end, like that, ha. In the middle, one form that they write in the line, like this and like that. These are all has. وَاسْتَشْهِدُوا شَهِيدَيْنِ. The ya extends the ha. شَهِيدَيْنِ min noon sakina. What do we got after the noon sakina? A ra. مِن رِجَالِكُمْ. مِن رِجَالِكُمْ. فَإِن لَمْ. Now this فَإِن لَمْ, this noon pretty much drops. You go straight from here to here. فَإِن لَمْ يَكُونَ رَجُلَيْنِ فَرَجُلٌ because this drops, goes straight from the waw to the mim with a sukoon. وَامْرَأَتَانِ مِمَّنْ. So mimman, noon sakina followed by ta. Okay, that's ikhfa. مِمَّنْ تَرْضَوْنَ. Minash, the alif lam sheen. This is what kind of huruf? Huruf shamsiya, where you don't read al-shuhada, you read ash-shuhada. But coming from the noon here with a fatha, minash-shuhada'i. Let's do that again. Minash-shuhada'i. This alif with a mad, you extend it. Minash-shuhada'i. Now we're here, and you got a ta after the noon sakina. Ta after the noon sakina is ikhfa. An tadilla. An tadilla ihdahuma. This is a ha. Don't mistake in this ha with this ha. So ihdahuma. إحداهما. فتذكر. Kaf has a shadda with this kasra. فتذكر إحداهما الأخرى. This is a alif drops. There is the lam with the sukoon. So إحداهما mal, because that drops goes to the lam. Mal because you got a hamza with a dhamma, and this is a kha, ukhra. وَلَا يَأْبَى الشُّهَدَاءُ. So وَلَا يَأْبَى. So this ba يَأْبَى الشُّهَدَاءُ إِذَا مَا دُعُوا. Okay, so here, وَلَا تَسْأَمُوا أَن. You got a noon sakina by followed by a ta. أَن تَكْتُبُوهُ صَغِيرًا أَوْ كَبِيرًا إِلَى أَجَلِهِ. This just extends the ha, but there's a jim. أَجَلِهِ أجله ذلكم. If you're continuing like that, ذلكم أقسط. Qaf has a qalqala. أقسط عند الله. This noon followed by da is also ikhfa. So عند الله وأقوم li. What happens here? This is actually a lam. Okay, this is a lam. So lishahadati. Li go straight to here. Lishahadati. Lishahadati wa adna wa ad. This dal has a qalqala, slightly almost like doubled. Wa adna alla ترتابوا إلا أن تكون تجارة حاضرة تديرونها بينكم. Hopefully all this is clear. حاضرة تديرونها بينكم فليس عليكم جناح. Extends the noon. جناح ألا تكتبوها. Let me bring that up a little bit. We're almost there. تكتبوها وأشهدوا إذا تبايعتم. Continue on. ولا يضار. So this ضاد is a med. You extend it. ولا يضار كاتب ولا شهيد. ولا شهيد. If you're going to pause. ولا شهيد. وإن تفعلوا. Noon sakina followed by ta. That is إخفاء. وإن تفعلوا فإنه. This is a noon with a shadda. They're usually all غنة. Kind of the nasal vibration. فإنه فسوق بكم. Let's review this. Why is there a meme here? Shouldn't it be fusuqun? Why is there a slight meme? Because of the ba. We did this early. Because of the ba. Okay? Because of the ba. You can look this up. It's called iqlab. Iqlab. So continue on. Fusuqun bikum. What? Okay, so this is beautiful statement here. Always beautiful. Quran is beautiful. You have the waw, alif here, that drops, goes straight to the ta, and then qaf. Wattaqullah. And have taqwa of Allah. Wattaqullaha wa yu'allimukumu. Wattaqullaha wa yu'allimukumullah. Wallahu bikulli shay'in alim. Alhamdulillah, we finished what is basically the longest ayah of the Quran and almost finishing Surat al-Baqarah. Inshallah, I'm going to try to upload more very quickly this week, inshallah, as we hopefully will finish Surat al-Baqarah. Jazakumullahu khairan. Allah bless you all. Please keep me in your prayers, inshallah. Thank you all for your support. We'll see you next time. Assalamu alaikum.